So I started my day in class and I realized that I was doing some pretty important thesis work and I might want to document it for our channel. So essentially I'm just going through all my swatches and kind of deciding the different textiles and styles and colors that I want for each look and kind of just going through them. Shiny, 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 shiny. So sparkle, yay, sparkle. Yeah, so I'm just going through all my stuff and planning that out. Yay, fabric. So it was snowing today and I was so excited because it's so beautiful and the snow in the city is one of my most favorite things in the entire world. And so here I am walking back from Starbucks enjoying the snow while everyone else in the world is probably hating it. I'm smiling and looking like a complete dork and I love it and I will never stop loving it. It's so pretty. I love the way it falls. This is a view outside my school on 5th Ave. So fancy, so nice. So I'm just here, chilling on the stairway window, hanging out before my next class, eating sushi and watching the snow. My favorite thing in the world. And this is actually really comfortable. I'm like in my own, like it's a very small space, but it's really nice and relaxing. Yeah, I went for more of like an 80s vibe today with my hair. So yeah, which I think I included in the first part of this, but just testing. I'm so happy it's snowing. I finished my book! Yay! Very sad and tragic. And now I'm gonna read the next one when it gets here on Thursday. Very exciting. And now I'm waiting with my friend Nicole for her to do her readings for a secret project. She's working with aliens. Oh no, I spoiled it. Surprise. She's working on the remake of E.T.
That is absolutely not what this is.
She's auditioning for the role of E.T. She's auditioning for the role of the little ball on the end of E.T.'s finger. I've never seen that movie, so that's the only character that I know. Is there like a little boy in it? Yeah.
Yeah, it's all like a bunch of little kids. Right? I haven't seen it since like I was like 5. It's been a long time.
I don't know. Nicole's a very famous actress. You can catch her in such films as
I don't know. That's a good question.
whatever you want her.
You can pretend you see me in everything, I guess.
Yes. Well, you are in a independent film.
Yes.
That's an NDA, right?
Yeah, I don't know what's going on with that. I'm a good actor, I'm a good actor, I'm a good actor.
Got this.
I hate everything. Okay. Stop laughing! I have to get it out.
Oh my god.
This is a good sweater though.
It is a very good sweater.
Makes my neck look long.
Yes.
The next minute he was gone.
I feel.
Next minute he was gone. Buddy!
Have it in front of you.
I'm focused. Please go away. If you're a Republican, I don't want to be in your movie.
Oh no.
That's not true. Please cast me.
Marcus told us that Carl, he was on a scout.
That was terrible.
Damn it!
You messed that one up.
No!
That was your fault. I could have kept going, but I laughed. Was gone.
Yes! Yes! Woo! Woo! Yeah! What? And there she is, the birthday girl. Happy birthday!
geez.
Birthday. How does it feel to be 22, Jenna?
It feels the same, Megan.
Wow, that was very anticlimactic. Our viewers will be so sad. Oh, sorry. How was your day? How was your birthday?
This is good,
How
Megan.
was your day of birth?
Okay.
Did anything exciting happen?
Oh boy.
Why is this so zoomed in?
No.
Here, let's do a walk and talk.
No.
Let's do a walk and talk.
Walking away. It's a walk away.
So, did you do anything exciting today?
No. Just about to start the 4th episode of The Young Pope.
Oh boy, here we are. Oh! Let me go get your present for you. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Guess I how about that?
Oh my god. I literally had so much silence in this apartment for so long. And I didn't have to hear anyone say, "Catch me outside." How about that? I didn't have to hear it one time. Well, thank you, Megan. I'm going to open this card. Oh god, it's the worst card I've ever seen. I hate it already. Oh my god, it matches my nails. Yes, happy Treat Yourself Day.
I realize that for you every day is Treat Yourself Day, but it just like, no, meaning like you just live by that mantra, which I feel we all should, but it just screamed Jenna.
It's true.
Oh, I hate this. I hate when people read their cards in front of me! Oh,
Wisdom. Good word. Yes, I am wise.
oh goodness. Oh look guys, she's gonna cry.
In what world, Megan?
She's so moved.
It would be really funny if this was just a box with that meme printed out. You know what? Let's just remember who controls your lease. It's me. Don't make me evict you.
Guys, this is so sad to watch. The way you cut things is so weird. Look at your hand. Look at that. What is that?
I'm just trying to get under the tape.
Don't worry,
My
I've zoomed in.
God,
Look at
let
that.
me
What is that?
live.
Ew, gross.
You're gross. It's very hard to open things.
No, it's not. You just...
Oh my god, is this one of those glow cat
Yes!
lamps?
Yes!
So cute! Oh, alright, let's pop them out.
Remember when I posted it on your wall and you're like, oh my gosh, so cute. Maybe you can buy one for me.
I do remember that, Megan. I remember it distinctly. I'm impressed that you remembered.
Of course I remember.
Oh my god, he's so squishy.
I was going to get it for you for Christmas, but then I started Miss Fisher and I was like, nah.
It's true.
Oh, it's so cute.
Oh my god.
Wait, it's squishy. Why is it squishy?
Because it's silicone, Megan.
Wait, I'm sorry. Say that word again.
Silicone.
Silicone.
You say Silicon Valley a lot, Megan?
Yeah. Wait, is it not silicone?
Megan, it's either one.
Oh, okay.
Okay, everyone. You missed it, but oh, okay. It's on now. I didn't touch anything.
Wait, you didn't touch anything?
I didn't touch anything. It's just on.
Wait, is it motion sensing?
Oh no.
Tap it again.
Wait, tap. How do you tap it?
I don't know.
Does that make it change? there, little one.
Maybe we have to scream a color. Blue.
I think so. Where's that air coming out? Oh no.
Ah!
Oh. Megan, I think he has a hole in him. Oh no, it's okay. Oh, I think it fills back up with air.
What? It breathes?
Hold on, let me try.
No, don't break it.
I won't. Maybe I will. We'll see.
Ew.
Wait, I think he's gonna fill back up though. Oh, fill back up, bud. Fill with
Oh no, Jenna.
fill with that sweet air, that sweet oxygen. There he is. He's back.
It's a very strange object.
How do we change colors though?
Press it again. That's what I did, I think.
Press this.
The power button.
Power button. Doesn't that turn it off? What about this other thing? Oh, that's for the USB.
USB?
Yeah, because it's the charge. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus.
Ah!
Pick a color! Pick a color and stick with it!
What did you do?
Oh no! Oh God. I can't be stopped! Does it always change this much? What did the instructions say?
Happy birthday!
Pat switches.
What?
Shoot for the warm white light.
Wow! Oh my gosh, that's so cool! Magic. That's what I'm gonna be doing in your room now.
Oh my god.
You're gonna come in and the lights are off and it's gonna be just me. But then I'm gonna tap it and it's gonna turn on and you're gonna be like, oh! Oh, Christmas is here.
God, it's so cute. Thank you, Megan.
Well, now that we figured out that it's not a demon.
Oh my god, honestly. Oh my god, it's so cute.
Yay!